Go ahead.
Today,
What's your name?
my name is Leah. What's your name? Today we're making a video about planting.
What all kinds of things are we going to plant?
Daisies, sunflowers.
Sunflowers. What else? We're going to plant some flowers by the mailbox.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot.
Yeah. And tell me, what is it that you always eat out of our garden?
I forgot what
It's called kale.
kale.
You like to eat it, don't you? You eat it fresh, you pick it straight out of the garden.
It's not ready yet.
Well, it's... Where are you going to plant the sunflowers, Lena? Okay, so we're going to plant them along the edge of this bed, and the sun will come up in the east over there, and the sun will come up all day, and when the sun comes up, the sunflowers will turn their heads to follow the sun. That's why they're called sunflowers. Start. You're getting what ready? Okay. Why are you doing that? Do the plants like the soil hard or do they like it soft? Okay. So you're going to dig it, and then I'm going to do a little bit of raking. And Grandma's picking up some extra weeds over there. And film what?
No.
Grandma doesn't want to be filmed.
Grandma does not want to be.
So, Grandma, you can hear Grandma talking, but that's good enough, okay? What kind of seeds are those? All right, let me see you do it. Oh, show them to me again, will you? Oh, those are pretty. All right, now show me how you put them in the ground.
You put one by one.
Well, put them close. There's some more over there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, there you go. You're doing good. Put them in the ground. More. That's it.
Oops. Might need that too.
I think you need to put a few more in. That's it. You're doing really good.
I think it's great. Here's the one.
Here we go.
I know some now.
Don't cover up the hole yet. All right, I'm going to stop the video now. What are you doing now, Lena?
The seeds.
You're covering them?
Now we.
Why do you cover them?
So they could. So no even step on them.
Yeah, or the birds can't find them?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good. Now that you've covered them, are you going to water them?
Yep.
Okay, get the watering pot.
I'm just gonna finish.
Oh, okay, you're still covering them? Thank you, that's really good.
Okay, now I need the water.
Okay. And just make the water go slow so it doesn't wash the seeds away. Whoops. Get it over here, honey, where the seeds are. That's it. That's really good. That's really good. All right. All the way. Get them all here on the side so they're good and watered. Well, that's a big job. Somebody who's almost in first grade.
I'm just in kindergarten right now.
I know you are, but you will be in first grade after 3 weeks, won't you?
Yeah.
What was today's letter, by the way?
L.
L.
We need a letter to our first grade teacher.
Uh-huh. And tell me, what letter do you suppose sunflowers starts with? Sunflowers.
C.
Sunflowers.
We're almost out of water.
Okay, I think you did good. Very good. What are you doing now, Lena?
Some water and
What are you going to use the water for?
get some water in my seeds.
Okay, so we're going to put water on the seeds. And what will that do?
Help it grow.
Okay. All right, so are you putting water in that can?
Yeah.
I see. Oops, you're missing the hole.
I'm just trying to
It's kind of hard to do with the hand. Grandpa's waiting.
Okay, now what are you doing, Lena?
I'm making big holes
What are the holes for?
so we can drop the seeds.
No.
What are we going to put in them?
Are we doing seeds this time?
Are those seeds?
No.
What are we putting in there? Look at what Grandma got.
A flower kits already grown a
Yep.
little bit.
Mm-hmm.
What are they? What did you ask for?
Flowers.
Daisies. Remember you asked for daisies?
Are those?
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Will this go down there? Up. We still need it a little deeper.
Yes.
Okay. A
Keep
little,
going.
little bit deeper.
I use my hands.
Yeah.
That's much easier.
Okay. Should I try again? See if it'll work? If it's
Yeah.
big enough? What do you think, Grandpa?
Oh, I think that's good.
Okay, so
All right, now use your hand, Lena. Use your hand to put dirt around it.
all the way around it. So all that dirt you pulled out from this side needs to go in. And
Mash it in. That's it.
Yeah.
All right, very good.
Okay, I think that.
What are you doing now, Lena?
I'm filling up this.
Man, it looks like your hands are got dirt all over them. Why do your hands have dirt on them?
Since I was digging, silly.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow. That's pretty full. You better turn the water off.
I just finished watering.
Okay. Go ahead.
This was our garden video at Grandma's house. Special. I love you guys.